In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit secret in Gumloop 2026, step by step. If you use automations or integrations in Gumloop, you may occasionally need to update a confidential value your workflows rely on. That's exactly what we'll do together, carefully and securely. First, open Gumloop and sign into your account so you're on your personal apps area. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage settings. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you might need access from your workspace admin. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel. From there, click on Settings. This takes you into the configuration area where you control your profile, workspace details, and security-related items. Once Settings opens, glance to the left-hand side again. You'll notice a second navigation panel for settings sections. Click on Secrets. This page lists the secure values stored for your account or workspace. Each entry typically has a clear name so you can identify which workflows use it, along with basic metadata like when it was last updated. Now find the specific secret you need to edit. If you have many entries, carefully scan the list and match the exact name used by your workflow to avoid changing the wrong one. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct entry. Accuracy here prevents downstream errors. When you've located it, move to the right side of that row and select the pencil icon. That icon opens the edit view for the selected secret. You should now see a field where you can provide the new value. Add the new secret value into the field. It's best to copy and paste from a trusted source, such as a secure manager, to avoid typos. Be mindful of leading or trailing spaces and any hidden characters. They can break connections. If there's a visibility toggle, keep the value concealed unless you absolutely need to check formatting on screen. With the updated value in place, click Save. Gumloop will store the change and apply it to any workflows that reference this secret going forward. Depending on your setup, you may notice a brief confirmation or an updated timestamp that reflects your edit. If your workflows run on schedules, the new value will be used on subsequent runs. If they're triggered manually, it will take effect the next time you start one. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened the Secrets area, selected the correct entry, updated its value, and saved your change. Thanks for following along, and remember to keep your confidential values protected and documented securely outside the app as part of your team's best practices.